Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your PlayStation 5 back to the factory defaults if you are going to be reselling it or anything like that. So you don't need a profile or you don't need to log in with this method because we're going to be doing it in the safe mode menu. So here's my PlayStation 5. With it turned on, I'm just going to hold down the power button. And if we just press it once, it's going to enter rest mode. We want to continue to hold this down. And then once it's completely turned off, we can connect a USB cable to it. And then connect it to our controller. And we should be able to operate the safe mode menu. Now there's no blinking lights anymore. I'm going to hold down the power button. And I should hear a beep. And that's an indication it's going to launch into the safe mode menu. Alright, I can let go. Now if I look at my screen, it says connect the controller using a USB cable and then press the PlayStation button. Then go on down to option number 7, reset PS5. If you reset your PS5, all user and all data will be deleted. Are you sure you want to continue? Just go to yes. Take about 10 minutes to go ahead and complete that process. It'll be like you just bought your PlayStation 5 now. So everything will be completely wiped off from it, and you don't have to worry about any of your information being on there. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.